Everyone. Hoping you are having a good day and you found the correct Google Classroom to join since we switched to Google Classrooms with the new unit. I'm going to walk you through today's lesson, and I know you're going to be working from home, and I too am making this video from home down in my basement. So it doesn't mean your location should stop you from learning or doing any of your work that you need to do and accomplish for the day. So what we're going to do today is start our plate motion internship. We're going to do this first by doing a pre-assessment on plate motion. And then assuming you've joined the right classroom, you're going to do the first set of plate motion slides for your Amplify interactive notebook. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please make sure you email me any of your work or concerns or things that you need to do. So in your Google Classroom, our assignment here has the following information, okay? It's got the what to do in terms of the plate motion internship. I'm going to ask that you watch the video. You're going to take the pre-assessment, and then you're going to go through the Google Slides and add them to your web browser, all right? So the pre-assessment is a Google form, just like you see here. It'll pop up with the plate tectonics test. You're going to provide your name, hour, and then go through each question as you go through, understanding plate boundaries and geological hazards, okay? It's okay if you don't know any of the material. That's perfectly fine. Like I said, this is a pre-assessment, so it's just to gauge a base of what you do know so that I can adjust your learning as we go through. And then at the end, when you take the post-assessment, it's fun to compare scores and see learning growth that has taken place. Once you have taken the pre-assessment test, the next thing you're going to do is go back to Google Classroom, and you're going to open up the plate motion slides 1 through 4. And what I may do is I may retitle this to Plate Motion Interactive. So just make sure you're aware the name may change here. But the Plate Motion Slides Interactive Notebook. I'll go ahead and do that now so that I remember that it's changed. This is your new interactive notebook. And I was looking at some feedback from the survey you filled out, and I know this was kind of a confusing part of your learning last unit. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to do it into smaller chunks. So I'm only going to give you the slides that you need to do each lesson that involves the interactive notebook. And what you're going to do is, as we go through, you're going to copy the slides and add them to your specific interactive notebook. And then at the end of the unit, you will turn in your slides and will be graded for them as well. So the first 4 slides of your interactive notebook include, the little title page here, which we're going to want to make sure you add your name. The glossary, which I want you to pause this video and add these 2 terms into your interactive notebook once you pull it up. You're going to add geohazard, which is a natural disaster caused by plate motion, and geohazard engineer, an engineer who applies concepts from earth science and physics to help minimize the impact of natural disasters. And this is also a good point in double checking your reading. Notice how it says apples when it should say applies. That's one of those times where the wording doesn't come up with the little red squiggly line for the concepts. So there we go. Always fun to do a little spell check and grammar when I do these videos. Anyway, so you need to pause the video and add these 2 terms into your notebook. Then you're going to go to slide 3 and you're going to watch the video of your project director. As always, in order to watch the video, you need to be in presentation mode in order for the video to play. Once in presentation mode, you can click play and it'll play the video for you. My web internet is a little slow, so it kind of takes a while down in the basement. And I'll make sure that it's available for you in another platform too. And then after you watch the video, you are going to read the email from your project director and take some notes related to that, okay? Maybe talk about the problem that we're going to answer and some information that you know or don't know for the people we are going to help with, okay? Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and make sure you click turn in when you're done. Oh, I also wanted to say bookmark this into your web browser. So once you're done with your 4 slides, make sure you bookmark it to your browser so that it'll be added. So it will be added in, and you can make a new folder. I'm working from home, so obviously mine says recipes, but I would probably make a new folder under my bookmark bar and title it Amplify Interactive Notebook. And that way it's right here available for me for my other future lessons, okay? See, right there, good to go. So that's what you're gonna do today. Pre-assessment, first set of Amplify slides, bookmark it, and turn it in. I hope you have a great day. Bye.